Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a game changer for anyone looking to refresh their bathroom or kitchen. The DWIL Tile Paint, Tub, and Tile Refinishing Kit. If you've been searching for the best paint remover for tile, look no further because we've got a fantastic solution for you. This kit is perfect for giving your tiles a brand new look without the hassle of removing old paint. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and benefits. Let's kick things off by unboxing the DWIL Tile Paint Kit. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need for a successful tile refinishing project. There's no need to be a DIY expert. This kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced individuals. Show the contents of the kit, emphasizing the included tools and paints. Highlight the user-friendly design and ease of operation. Now, let's talk about some key features that make this DWIL Tile Paint Kit stand out from the rest. Discuss the easy cleanup process without harsh chemicals. Mention the low odor, making it suitable for indoor projects. Emphasize the enhanced durability with high-quality acrylic resin. Highlight the quick drying time and minimize dust or debris sticking to wet paint. One of the most exciting aspects of this kit is its versatility. It's not limited to just one type of surface or color. Let's explore its flexibility. Discuss the wide range of colors and finishes available. Mention the suitability for bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors, and walls. Recommend using two kits for optimal coverage on darker colored tiles. Now, let's walk through the application process step by step. It's always helpful to see how easy it is to use a product like this. Show the preparation steps, including cleaning and smoothing the surface. Demonstrate the application of multiple thin coats. Mention the recommended drying times. The best way to evaluate a product is by seeing the results. Let's take a look at some before and after shots of a tile refinishing project using the DWIL Tile Paint Kit. Ready to transform your tiles? The DWIL Tile Paint Kit is available on Amazon.com, and you can find the link in the video description below. Plus, there might be a special coupon for you to use. That wraps up our review of the DWIL Tile Paint, Tub, and Tile Refinishing Kit. If you're in need of the best paint remover for tile, this kit is a fantastic solution for refreshing your bathroom or kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.